Morning YouTube, this is going to be my review of the Fire LA portable wireless keypad, 2.4 gigahertz LED, and it's backlit. It's the model number. It's rechargeable with a micro USB. A little bit of instructions. It's got rubberized keys, mouse touchpad, there's a removable battery. The Wi-Fi dongle that goes into whatever you're using it for. I found a couple issues with it. First of all, the way it's backlit I think is pretty poor. There's LEDs sporadically through. Doesn't light it up very well or very clear. You can change the color of the backlit by pressing the function button and F2. But I believe it only changes when it's actually connected. Oh, there you go. It's blue. And green is the last option. Green seems to be easier on the eyes. The other problem is once you use it and turn it off, the next time you come back to use it, it goes back to red. So every time you have to switch it back to the color that you like. And I'll show you the other issue once it's actually connected. Alright, so I have my Android box turned on. I put in the USB dongle, and this is primarily what I bought this keypad for. Power button's right here, slide it over. You notice right there was a yellow light. That is what is used to show when it's connected. So once that's off, you can use the touchpad, which I had some issues with yesterday. It has a hard time sensing if you're touching it or not. Another issue I had was with the page down button. It would, I assume, get stuck and just scroll without me touching it. It would go all the way down to the bottom. I haven't been able to duplicate it this morning, of course, for the video. But that was an issue. Hopefully that was an anomaly. And it won't do it again. And that's pretty much it. Back buttons. Everything else seemed to work pretty well. Has decent range. You can control volume up and down. Not too bad. I think the backlit is going to be the biggest issue for me. I'm going to need to change it for a different one. That around these buttons, it's white where the light can come through. Different kinds have just the letters that are backlit, and I think I'm going to try switching to one of those. Any questions? Give me a comment. I appreciate a like. Have a good day.